Today we're diving into the incredible features of the LOKEME Portable Closet, a 61-inch wardrobe that combines functionality and style with its 3 hanging rods and 6 storage shelves, all wrapped in a sleek gray non-woven fabric. This space-saving organizer is perfect for any bedroom, cloakroom, or laundry room, offering ample storage with its 61-inch length, 17.7-inch width, and 69-inch height, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your clothes, shoes, and accessories. The multi-purpose design includes upper hanging rods for long outfits and coats, while the lower shelves are ideal for folded items, handbags, and hats, plus side pockets for smaller essentials like towels and socks. Built with sturdy architecture, this wardrobe features strong steel tubes and reinforced PP plastic connectors, providing exceptional load capacity and stability, so you can trust it to hold up for years. The dust-proof and breathable cover, equipped with a T-shaped zipper and Velcro, keeps your clothes fresh and clean, while the waterproof fabric makes it easy to maintain. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and numbered steel tubes, allowing you to set it up in minutes without any extra tools. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish storage solution, the LOKEME Portable Closet is the perfect choice to keep your space organized and your clothes protected.